Hello friends and welcome back to the PT Roundtable. We're joined today by a special guest. This is Renee. Welcome, Renee.
Thank you.
You're primarily the PT that coordinates our joint replacement program at SPO. Can you tell our viewers what that means?
Absolutely. So I work very closely with Sean, who's our joint coordinator at SPO. We meet individually with every patient who is going to come in for surgery. We talk about expectations, what they can expect from their surgery and after their surgery, and really just give them the opportunity to ask any questions and answer any questions that they might have before their upcoming surgery. I also work with them if they're having their surgery at the ambulatory surgery center. They will see my face again, and I'm over in the surgery center helping them get up and walk for their first time. And then before they go home, they meet with me again, and we go through again their exercises and just make sure that everyone is comfortable with their coach and whoever else is with them, and making sure they're comfortable going home.
All right, well, we want to get to know you better, so we've arranged a little segment called Rapid Fire, where the questions are going to come in fast and furious. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. Ryan, why don't you start us off?
What is your favorite drink?
Well, if I'm at work, Diet Mountain Dew. If I'm not at work, probably some sort of craft beer.
Scale of 1 to 10, how good of a cook are you?
2. Wow. I don't like to cook. I like to eat, so
Really low.
I don't.
That's okay.
Yeah, I know.
It's really low. Now we're getting down to business. So time to take on the questions from our viewers. This first question comes from Doubting Dale, and he wants to know, I had my knee replaced 10 years ago, and I stayed in the hospital 4 nights. Now my hotshot neighbor says he had his knee replaced and went home the same day. Is he lying?
Ooh, no. Hotshot neighbor is right on. Times are changing. The days of being in the hospital for 4 days, those days are gone. So they've been perfecting surgeries and pain management for the last couple of years. So I would say probably close to 50% of our patients are actually being done in the ambulatory surgery center now.
Okay. Next question. This is for the whole table. Moaning Marcy in Marshfield writes, I had my knee replaced 3 weeks ago, and I still have a lot of pain when I bend my knee. My PT keeps telling me to bend it, but it hurts. What should I do?
Bend it.
Keep working on the motion for sure. I don't want to call it a sacrifice, but the more that you can do early on, the better your outcomes are. If you avoid some of the pain and you don't push through that, you can get a contracture, meaning that knee's not going to bend forever. It either requires another surgery or a manipulation where you get put under anesthesia and the doctor will bend it for you.
We have one final question. Confused in Clintonville asks, I'm scheduled to get my knee replaced in a few weeks. My knee used to be very painful, but a few months ago, my knee stopped hurting. But now my opposite hip started hurting. Should I still get my knee replaced? Do I need a hip replacement?
It could depend. Yes, the doctor will probably make that final decision to continue with that knee replacement. Their hip has probably begun to compensate because that knee was so bad. So now that opposite hip is taking up all that slack, meaning that it's overworking and doing stuff that it probably shouldn't be doing. The knee replacement's probably still the first thing to go, but there could be a chance the hip may need replacement. Again, that's a team discussion between your doctor, you, your family.
Now we have a special segment called Don't Do That, where we take a real life situation and our panelists are going to have to buzz in and tell us what this patient did that they should not have done. You guys ready? Here's your buzzer. Okay. You guys ready?
Works.
I had my knee replaced 3 weeks ago, and my PT looked upset when she found out I drove to my appointment.
You got it.
The main reason we don't want people driving that early is we just want to make sure that both the patient and me and everyone else are safe on the road. So, it takes a while to get that joint and that leg moving the way that it should in order to get from the brake to the gas. And even more importantly, we don't want anyone driving impaired. So sometimes people are still taking pain medications at that point. So it is best to just be transported at least for the first maybe 4 to 6 weeks.
Okay, very good, very good. All right, Ryan, would you do the honors? Okay. Wow. You know what that sound means? It means we're going to be deaf for the next 2 minutes. And it also means it's time for the bonus round. We've got a little game called Sharpshooters coming up. So for this game, we're going to see who's most deadly with the TheraBand. All right? So I think we're gonna have you three competing. We're gonna stack up some cones. Each player has 3 stacks of cones. You get 5 shots with a TheraBand, and whoever knocks down the most cones wins. Or
Game on.
takes out their cones first.
Nailed it.
I don't do that.
Middle one's done.
Nice. I don't do this.
I took a different approach.
Okay.
Bam!
Ryan, you got one shot.
You got one
shot.
You got one shot.
You got one shot.
Second place.
Oh!
Oh no! No!
What, do I have to knock other people's shots?
You already won.
Oh, I only got one.
There you go.
All right, there you have it. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you see a TheraBand in Renee's hands, head the other way.
Look out.
Thank you.